So hello everyone. In today's lecture we will discuss about the Java file output stream class. Basically this file output stream class is used to write the byte oriented stream into the file. So already you know that you can in Java we will be having the two types of stream, character oriented stream and the byte oriented stream. Character oriented streams are nothing but the text file, right? Textual data, and byte oriented streams is another category. So with this uh, output stream, right? It's a file output stream is the output stream which you can use to write the data to the file. But and this you can use to write the primitive value into the file. Okay, with this class you can write the primitive. What are the primitive values? It can be integer, float, character. That are the primitive values that also you can write with the file output stream class object. Okay, so both will be possible with the file output stream class, byte oriented as well as character oriented. But usually for the character oriented data, what we prefer, yes, we prefer the file writer class, right? we pre- than file output stream class. Already we have discussed, right? For the character oriented, the preferable choice will be the file writer class. So the file output stream you will found in the input output package. So you need to import that package, and again from this class the output stream class is extended. So what do you mean by extended? It's a child of the file output stream class. So first step, we have to import that package. From that package, we are interested to use the file output stream class, right? Then this is the name of the class. Then public static void main. In try block, we have put some piece of code. What we have put? First statement is we are creating the uh, object of that file output stream class. The name of object is fout. Then equal to new file output stream, and what we have passed over here, the path and the name of the file. So name of the file will be sample.txt, which we want to create in D drive. Then with this object, file output stream object, we are invoking the write method and 66. So what is the 66? It's a byte data, and for the 66, what value will get written into the file? Its ASCII value will get written into the file. That is B, right? You can search it on Google, the ASCII chart for the characters. So for the A, ASCII is 65, for the B, ASCII is 66, and so on. I'm talking about the capital letters. Then you need to close that file, and after finishing of creating and writing the file, we will print the statement that is we are done, right? Done. So if you execute, you will be getting done. But now we are interested to check the output sample.txt. What is written in sample.txt? So I'm opening D drive. I'm opening D drive. In D drive. What is the name of the file? It's sample, right? Sample. What is written over here? B will get written over here. If I change the value, यहाँ पे 65 किया, तो what value will get written into that file? If you execute, the B will get overwrite with the. So you have to open it once again. You need to open it once again. D. Okay. So A will get written into that file. Okay. So this is all about buffer, sorry, file output stream class. Okay, so the conclusion is with the file output stream class you can write byte oriented data into the file.